So first of all, good evening everyone. My name is Hitesh and I am pursuing the BCA from the Dynamic Computers and the IT training by the most and most talented person who is the director of the AIM executions of the ARA city. Okay everyone. So I have to just say to you everything about the my professional things. So after all these things, I want to say you something about the one very and very important topic in our life. Okay, so I want to discuss with you about one topic that is a not only topic, which is the you can say that is a very and very important topic. Okay, everyone. So now this time we are going to the discussing with you that what is the meaning of the programming language. Okay, everyone. So in this session we will discuss about that. So what is the meaning of the language? So why we are going to the learning the languages? So main reason is here that because to communicate with anyone we are going to the learning the communication skill, that is in English communication skills we are going to the learning. Okay, so as same as here in the programming world means to communicate with the computers we should have one language. We have also language, that is a programming languages will be there. Maybe programming language is your C++, Java, Python, SQL, PL SQL, or it's just so on. Means in the market there are a lot of languages to communicate with the computers, to keep the command to the computer whatever you want to do through the computer. So main reason is here that we are going to the learn the communication skill in the that is a programming language. Okay, yes. So we are just going to the discussing that what is the C programming language and the C++ and Java, etc. so on. Okay, so according to my point of view, I'm just show you something about that first of all we have to the understand that what we are want to do. Means if you want to become as a application developer, then you should have to the choose the Java, that is the Android development courses. Okay, so for the Android development we should have to the Java programming language. Okay, means we should have to the expert in the Java programming, then we can create any types of the applications in the for the Android systems. Or okay, means I have to just say to you that Java is the necessary there. But now this time the famous also one one language is also famous for the Android development, that is a Kotlin is there. Okay, so we can choose anyone, but I think that Kotlin have no more and more quality compared to the Java, so we should have to the choose the Java. Okay, so after that I'm just so I'm after that I'm just to say you something that what is the C and why we are going to the C learning, then C++ and then Java. So I am just recommended to you also that you should have to the C and then C++ and then Java, because if you will go first time as a Java programmer learner, so at that time you will face a lot of problems. It's okay that you should have to the face the problems, but there are a lot of means I want to say you that if any teacher will be there. Okay, so at a time that teacher will be not describe about that in the internally. Okay, but if we learn the C programming and then C++, then we should have to the understand the logics of the all these things in the depth. Okay, and then we are going to the Java programming, and then we can say that we have to the complete the application developments. Okay, so for the I want to say you that why we are going to the C and C++. So as you know that C is also known as the mother language. You can't you can say because the main reason is here that as you know that what is the our mother language. So my mother language is the Hindi. Maybe your language mother language will be any types of the. Okay, so main reason is here that I have to the said. Okay, so first of all we should have to the learn the C and then C++ and then Java. The main reason is here that C is a structural programming language. There have no any, but they have also the oops concept, but very and very efficient features in available are available in the C programming. But in C++, oops concept is increasing, and Java is totally, that is a 99, or you can say that is 100% oops concept will be there. That is a class and method will be there, class and object will be there. Okay, so I have to just say to you everything about that. So after all these things, I am just say you in the depth that why we are going to the learning the C first. So I have to just say to you that that is a mother language, you can say, because the syntax of the C programming language is very and very easy. Means very and very syntax will be there in the C programming. Okay, means if you are going to the create any types of the array, then we have the simple syntax. If you are going to the declaring any functions, there is a simple syntax. But you can also say that is a, there are also same things. Yes, it is right, but I want to say you something that there are a lot of features that is available in the C, that is a very and very simple to learn too easy. Okay, I want to say that we can learn easily the C programming concepts, and then we are going to the move to the C++ programming. That is a C++ app contains the also class and the objects. Okay, and constructor, deconstructors, and encapsulation, polymorphism, and etc. So on, the lot of features is also there. And in C we have the structure and union. These also we can say that is a oops concept will be there. But we can say that C contains only 5% oops concepts, but in C++ we have the 70%, you can say. And the Java is contains the oops concept, that is 100% contains. Okay, so why we are going to the oops concept importance, why we are going to the give the importance to the oops. So main reason is here that oops concept is a because in the real life scenario also we have the two things, that is a class and the object. Means object will be there in the class. Okay, means I want to say you that suppose this world is one class. Okay, and inside this class we have the object. Everything is object, living or non-living thing. So we are going to the create any type of the problem, that one will be called the that one will be called the errors, you can say. So for solve that problem, we are going to the move to the real life problem scenario. So real life class and objects is also available in the Java concepts, and Java is just like a, you can say, ocean. Means any type of the problem, if you if in your mind occurring, then you can solve in the Java. Okay everyone, so I have to just say to you everything about that. Okay, so I want to say you something that in Java why we are going to the choose. So if I have to the say to you that if we are going to the application development, then we should have to the move to the Java. And then after the clearing the Java, we are going to the Android development course. That one be maybe your period will be of the of course 2 month 3 month. Okay, so after finishing of the operating the Android development, how can you create the templates of the application of your applications or etc. So on, you can create your own applications. Okay, and then you can launch on the Play Store, and then you can publish for the public. Okay, so I want to say you that the features of the C and C++ and the Java something. So C contains a lot of features, that is contains the functions and the predefined header files. Inside that header files there are predefined functions will be there. That is a scanf, that is a scan functions will be there, and the printf and a lot of functions will be there. Okay, and after that I want to say that in C a lot of features, that is a enum will be there, that is a enumeration. And there we have the union structures, and there is no class. Okay, and also contains the operators and and after operators there are two types of the three types, you can say, that is operator. Primary, that is a unary, and the second you can say that is a binary operators and the tertiary operators. Okay, so inside binary you can include the arithmetic and etc. So on logical operator or anything. And after all these things I want to say you something that C++, what is containing. Okay, so C++, I've not said to you everything about the C, that what's contained by the C. Okay, because there is a lot of functions, but I want to say that there are 32 keywords available in the C. So keywords is nothing but a reserved words which is predefined the meaning by the compiler of your, means I want to say that which words meaning have to the define by default in your systems, in your compiler, from by your compiler. All these things will be keywords. Okay, and C plus plus is the advanced version of the C, that is a plus plus is going on there. Okay, so in C plus plus we are going to the discussing about the class and the object and the encapsulations and the polymorphisms and the inheritance, and then we are going to the constructor, deconstructor, a lot of things will be there. Okay, so after the C++, we are going to the move to the Java, and Java contains the class and object everywhere. Without the class and object we can't do anything. Okay, yes. So with the combination of the C and C++, you can say that is Java. Okay, because logic will be the C of C and C++ in Java, and there will be the a lot of features will be in the Java, means there are a lot of packages provided by the JDK for the create the our applications for. Okay, yes. So I hope that you have to the understand at what I may want to say you right now. So I hope that you have to the understand that why we have to the choose the first the C and then C++ and then Java, because the easy will be everything will be easy. Okay, Java will be very easy to learn when we have to the completed the C and C++. If we have not completed the C and C++, then maybe the chances of the problems occurs. No only chances, there will be lot of chances, because lot of chances, a lot of problems will be there. Okay, yes. So after that we are going to the learning the Android development, and then we can develop any types of the applications. So I hope that you have to understand everything about that what I have to just said to you, and I hope that you have to enjoy this video. This was my first content of on this YouTube. Okay, so let's meet you again and again. If you have to the if you like this video, then it's okay. So I am just going to the say you that bye. Meet you again and again. Let's bye.